In today's challenging economy, small business owners everywhere are looking for ways to create more time in the day to service their customers without cutting corners on the administrative tasks that keep their businesses on track. When it comes to time and attendance, why continue laboring over time cards and manual calculations when affordable automation is just a few clicks away? Introducing the uPunch MK1000. For less than the cost of your average manual punch card time clock, the uPunch MK1000 turbocharges your workforce management as an all-in-one standalone solution that requires no time cards or messy ink ribbons and no monthly subscriptions or complicated software. Equipped with a biometric finger scanner, RFID card reader, and personal PIN keypad, the MK1000 stops buddy punching while making payroll a breeze with robust time and attendance reports and simple, quick time card data transfers from clock to computer using the included USB drive. The uPunch MK1000. Spend more time making money and less time tracking it with an affordable all-in-one solution that helps you work smarter, not harder. uPunch. It's time to work.